He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
Hey guys, to a brand new LEGO review. Today we have the LEGO Monster Fighter Zombie Car. Yay! This is a poly bag, which I got from the LEGO store by purchasing over $75 worth of Legos. It was apparently like a $14.99 value. Pretty sure it probably wasn't. 60 pieces, ages 6 and up. You can see it has a zombie, which is cool, and a car. And for some reason they put it in a poly bag, which is kind of confusing, but oh well. It's a very large poly bag too. I mean, this is about the size of all the bricks from going around. But oh well. So, I guess we're gonna open it and see how it is. Okay, so that's everything. Let's begin.
Always true. Always true.
So, here we have the zombie car. First up, let's take a look at the minifigure. This is the driver. I think he's from the zombie taxi car, maybe. I don't have any of the Monster Fighter sets, so I wouldn't know. But pretty good detailing all around. You can see some ripped suit detailing, even on the back. He comes with a shovel. He has a brown hand for some odd reason. Was he a black person before he died? Who knows? Face is very nice too, very angry. And then he has your generic cat. Very cool. So, let's take a look at the car. It's just your generic little buggy. It's pretty cute, but I don't see the use of it. I guess, apparently zombies can still drive, maybe? I'm not sure. But hey, it is nice. You can see there are some teeth. This actually kind of looks like a face. Some flames, red light, steering wheel, which you can put the zombie in, and I guess you can put the shovel. Where can you put the shovel? No real places to put the shovel, so the zombie does look kind of cool in it, like he's a racer.
Excellent!
So, other than that, the set comes with a Black Widow spider. It's very basic, just white, and the instructions literally has nothing on it, just sits there. But, apparently, it glows in the dark, so let's look. Nice. Very cool. So, overall, that was the LEGO Monster Fighter Zombie Car. Pretty cool set, nice little build. I like it. Don't know if I want any of the other Monster Fighter sets, but it does look kind of cute. And if you want, you could make like a zombie apocalypse kind of scene. Because now you got a zombie. I don't know. And he could be fighting somebody like Hawkeye. And Hawkeye could be going boom headshot, boom headshot. And the zombie could go blah, 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 blah. And yeah, you can have like yourself a little battle. But anyway, Very nice. Did you like the video? Well then rate, comment, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you later.